Whoa, that show was super cool.
Yeah, how do you think they made those cartoons move?
That's animation. When lots of slightly different pictures are put together, they look like they're moving.
Whoa! Is animation something we can do at home?
How about trying stop motion animation? Stop motion is a special kind of animation. Instead of drawing each page, we make a movie with photos. It's really easy, Ray. Let me show you how, using a toy dinosaur. Move your toy a little bit, snap a picture. Then move it again and snap another picture.
Oh!
Do this many times, and when you play the pictures quickly, your toy looks like it's moving by itself.
So cool! Can we make a movie about a dinosaur going on a treasure hunt?
Sure. First, we need a storyboard. Think of it as a special comic strip that helps us plan our story. It's made of many pictures called frames, and each frame shows a different part of our story.
This is our dinosaur!
Let's make him wear a hat.
And he's walking in a forest!
He stumbles upon a treasure map.
And digs up treasure! What else do we need to do?
We need to make the character and the background. We can do this by drawing and coloring the character. Or use this.
Clay! Can I make the dinosaur paws?
Sure, and I'll make the forest.
Yay!
Now, we need a camera and a tripod to snap the pictures.
Oh, but what if I don't have a camera or tripod?
That's okay. We can use your phone camera and lean it on something stable, like a stack of books.
Okay!
Now, we move the dinosaur just a little bit and take a picture each time.
Look! Our dinosaur is hunting for the treasure!
Let's put it all together. We'll add our pictures into a stop-motion video editing app to turn it into a movie.
Let's watch our movie!
We hope you learned something new today. Though the fun doesn't stop here. If your little one had fun with us today, spread the joy. We'd love for you to share this video with other parents and give us a like. See you again soon. Bye-bye.